Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 5 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 4 Inventions, Lesson 2. Please open your skills book to page 32. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 4 Inventions, Lesson 2, Skills Book pages 32 and 33, Activities 1, 2, 3, and 4. The aims. In this lesson, students will predict the content of texts from pictures, match pictures to texts, practice skimming and scanning skills, transfer information from texts to a table. Let's go to page 32 of your skills book. Unit 4 Inventions, Reading and Understanding section. Activity 1, Read and match. Look at these pictures of inventors and inventions. Match each one to the information below. Write the number into the correct box. Dear students, you are asked to look at these pictures. What do you think our lesson is about? Yes, excellent. It's about inventors and inventions. Now you are asked to read these texts and match them to the pictures. Let's read. 1. The first clock was a sun clock. Somebody in Egypt invented this clock in about 3500 BC. But we don't know the inventor's name. A sun clock was a very tall tower. People could tell the time by looking at the shadow the tower made on the ground. Do you know this abbreviation? BC? Yes, before Christ. Before Christ. Number 2. An Arab called Al-Idrisi made the first globe in about 1100 in Italy. And you can read this number 1100. And here 3500. The globe was a huge ball of silver and it was very heavy. It weighed 400 kilograms. 3. Charles Babbage and his friend Ada Byron invented the first computer in about 1830 in England. And you can see this number 1830 in England. Early computers were very big. They filled the whole room. The first computers were like calculators. They could only do mathematics. 4. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in Canada in 1876. And you can say it 1876. Alexander Graham Bell was a teacher. He taught deaf children in a special school. He wanted to help people communicate, so he invented the telephone. 5. Carl Benz was a German. In 1885 or in 1885 or in 1885 in Germany, he invented the first car that used petrol. In 1886, another German called Gottlieb Daimler invented a better car. Early cars had big, thin wheels and they moved very slowly. Now you are asked to match these texts to the pictures. Take your time to do the task, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Now I'll write the number of the texts into these boxes. Yes, A is text number 4. B is text number 5. C is text number 2. D is text number 1. And E is text number 3. Thank you. Now let's go to page 33, activity 2. Read and answer. Read the texts in activity 1 again. Answer the questions as quickly as possible. Write the answers on the lines below. You are asked to scan and skim the texts in order to find the answers. 1. Who invented the first globe? 2. Who invented the telephone? 3. Where was the sun clock invented? 4. When was the first car invented? 5. What did Charles Babbage invent? Now you are asked to answer these questions as quickly as possible. Dear students, you are asked to skim the 5 texts in order to find the answers. Do you know skimming? Yeah, you are asked to search for the answer only. You can get the answer through a keyword. For example, I will do the question number 1. Who invented the first globe? Yes, the keyword here is globe. Let's look here. Yes, globe, Al-Idrisi. So the answer is Al-Idrisi. So now you are asked to skim the texts in order to find the answers. Take your time to do the task, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I will write the answers and tell you the keywords or the most important words that help me get the answer. 2. Who invented the telephone? Yes, the keyword here is telephone. The answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Yes, question 3. Where was the sun clock invented? Yes, the keywords here, sun clock. Sun clock in Egypt. Yeah, in Egypt. 4. When was the first car invented? The keyword here is car. When? In 1885. Question 5. What did Charles Babbage invent? The keywords here, Charles Babbage. Yeah, the computer. Thank you. Activity 3. Read and complete. Read the texts in activity 1 again. Complete the table below. What, who, where, when. Here you are asked to write the invention, the name of the invention. And here you are asked to write the name of the inventor. And here, write the country. And here you are asked to write the date. Okay? Try to complete the table using information from the texts in activity 1 on page 32. Take your time to complete the table, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I will complete the table in order to check your answers. Number 1. Sun clock. We don't know the name of the inventor. Egypt, about 3500 BC. Number 2. Globe. Yes, the name of the inventor, Al-Idrisi. Excellent. Spain, about 1100 or about 1100. 3. Computer. Charles Babbage and Ada Byron. In England in 1830. 4. Telephone. Alexander Graham Bell in Canada in 1876. Number 5. Cars that used petrol. Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. Carl Benz Gottlieb Daimler. Carl Benz invented the first car in 1885 and Gottlieb Daimler invented his car in 1886. And it was a better car. That means it was better than the car that Carl Benz invented. Working with words. Activity 4. Read and find. Work in groups to complete the reading race. Invention word cheat sheet. Your teacher may give you inventions word cheat sheet, and you will work at school. You can use the poster to complete this sheet, but we don't have the poster here, so you can complete this activity at school. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.